Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the topic on how to use tracking Pigeon for eBay dropshipping. I've been using this tool for close to about 6 months and I find that this tool is pretty easy to use and we use it daily. So what is tracking Pigeon actually? Well, it is basically a Chrome plugin extension which you can install on your Chrome browser, and to me it's an efficiency tool that you need to have, especially if you're doing dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. I'm sure that you did a lot of copying and pasting of eBay buyer shipping informations onto your Amazon address book. Well, this can be slightly automated in a way which you can use this plugin to help you. And also, you can also use this plugin to add sold item to your Amazon shopping cart directly. If not, you can also use other function of this plugin. You can also add sold item which your buyer bought on eBay directly to your Amazon shopping cart with a click of a button. And if you like to mass delete your Amazon contact addresses, especially if you sell daily and have like hundreds to thousands of addresses, which you sometimes will confuse yourself, it's always good to delete away some of all of these addresses to keep everything simple. Well, another function is that this tracking pigeon plugin auto scans your Gmail and look for the Amazon tracking number. As when you receive an email from Amazon saying the item has been shipped, you will basically get a tracking number. So let's go online now and have a look at how do we use it daily. Okay, right now I'm inside my eBay account and I actually installed the Chrome plugin for tracking pigeon, which is over here, the black color one, if you can see from here. And there's some of the function that I just want to quickly go through with you. So in tracking pigeon, after you install the plugin, you get these special buttons where you can first copy all the addresses that you have to Amazon. What you can do is you can just select everything and click on this button. If not, if you want to select individual addresses, you can just click on this copy selected addresses to Amazon. So you just wait for it to load. As you can see on the left hand side, it will just show in green once it's done, successfully added to the Amazon addresses. This is basically copying to your Amazon address book. And do note that you need to open your Amazon.com, meaning you need to log in to your Amazon account before using this plugin. If not, you will get an error. Okay, so you can also do another thing to add the selected items to Amazon cart. The cart referring to the Amazon shopping cart. Or you want to add all the items, that's all that would means that all the sales that we have generated today or for this hour, all to the Amazon cart and you can check out. So personally, I would prefer just to use the selected items, add selected items to the Amazon cart and to go through them one by one. Okay, so the addresses, for example, the first one, this guy, will be automatically added to the address page inside my Amazon. So let's take a look. Yep, so this guy is actually added over here. Okay, so what is the next thing that the plugin does is that this plugin also track the item that's being shipped. So whenever you bought something on Amazon and Amazon will actually ship out your item, you will get an email from the Amazon site. And the plugin is smart enough to go into your Gmail. Do know that it must be Gmail only, and to look for the order information and to grab the tracking number, put it into the track number field of the order. Yeah, so this is what it does. Let's also take a look on how much time actually I've saved. So I've logged into the tracking pigeon dashboard. So you can see from here that the last update is 15th of Jan, and the number of orders that was updated in the last 24 hours is 36 orders, and total minutes that I've saved is 2,950 minutes. So if you want to divide it by an hour, it will be total of 49 hours saved. So I guess it's pretty a lot of hours that you can save from here. If you talk about like getting someone to help you, especially like a virtual assistant, this amount of hour can be translated into money for you. So the process is pretty simple. After you have added the addresses, during the checkout page, you just need to select the address that you want. Say for example, just now we added that particular person. I think it's this guy. So what you can do is just directly select the person, and then you just say use this address. So tracking pigeon also allow you to clear the gift messages, and you can add in your own gift messages over here. Say thank you very much, and we look forward to your next purchase. Okay, so after that you can save, and then you make your payment and then ship out the item. Yeah, so this is the advantages of using the tracking pigeon. So let's take a look at the PowerPoint slide which I summarized it for you in terms of the advantages. Okay, you have seen that tracking pigeon basically help you save time and also save money, and you can have a zero chance of a copy and paste error. So do take note, like I wouldn't say that it's 100%, but it's at least 99.9% that you can copy and paste directly in this form of automation. If you do encounter some of the addresses not being copied directly to your Amazon address book, you can contact the Amazon chat support. They'll add it manually for you. And it is a very good and effective ways to use your time or your VA time. If you were to use your time, just copy and paste is not very effective in terms of planning for higher profits or looking for more higher profits product to list on your eBay store. So always delegate more critical tasks to your VA. Copy and paste task is a task that must be done, but not by you. I will talk about the part on how to train your VA in my next video. So when you should get this too? Well, I get asked a lot of time by my student, is it a big commitment for them, or they should get it right from the start? Well, if you have a full-time job and basically you do not hire anybody helping you to run the store, I would suggest that you get this tool right from the start, and it does help you with the copy and paste. And if you have at least 3 orders per day, so it works out to be 3 orders multiplied by 30 days, average about 90 orders per month. So if you have 90 orders per month, or let's say less than 100 orders per month, if each order costs you 40 cents, this is based on the industrial standard of automation. If you automate the ordering process, each order costs you 40 cents, so your total cost will be $36. While for tracking pigeon, I think it will cost you about close to 30 bucks, yeah? So in summary, this plugin basically is fast and accurate, they can rely on, and auto-fill eBay tracking numbers for you automatically, and you can sleep soundly. And while this work in the background, it helps you to improve your tracking and upload time score on your eBay store. Now, the tracking upload score basically is very important. You need to maintain it to reach certain status, especially if you're looking to hit top rated seller. And also there's the ongoing support, which is very easy and quick and easy. You can drop them an email or on Facebook. I'm sure the person in charge or the support will reply to you within the same day. And my verdict is that I would recommend you, especially if you're my student, I would recommend you to use this plugin. So I've come to the end of this video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can go to facebook.com/group/dropshipmastery. So I'll see you in the next video.